Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level, but feeling overwhelmed by the financial side of things? Managing multiple payment gateways, chasing after unpaid invoices, and dealing with complex international transactions can feel like a full-time job in itself. It's a challenge that many online sellers face, and it's one of the biggest roadblocks to growth. But what if there was a way to simplify all of this? What if you could have a single banking platform built specifically for the unique needs of e-commerce businesses? A platform that doesn't just hold your money, but actively helps you manage it, so you can focus on what you do best, selling. Introducing Relay Bank, the ultimate banking solution for modern e-commerce entrepreneurs. We're not just another bank. We're your financial co-pilot, designed to streamline every aspect of your business's money flow. Imagine this, all your revenue from Shopify, Amazon, and Stripe, all in one place. No more logging into multiple dashboards to see your total income. Relay gives you a unified view, so you always know exactly where you stand. And we don't stop there. Our platform provides smart insights, categorizing your expenses and highlighting key spending trends, so you can make smarter financial decisions. And for those of you dealing with international sales, Relay Bank is a game changer. We make cross-border transactions as smooth and affordable as a local one, saving you from exorbitant fees and frustrating delays. You can open foreign currency accounts with ease, ensuring you get the best rates and can pay your international suppliers without a headache. Beyond the basics, we've built features that truly understand e-commerce. Need to pay your team? Our automated payroll system is a breeze. Tired of manually tracking invoices? Relay can help you send and manage them with a few clicks. It's about giving you back your time, your energy, and your peace of mind. So, if you're ready to ditch the financial chaos and embrace a smarter, more efficient way of banking, it's time to check out Relay Bank. We're here to help your business thrive, one seamless transaction at a time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.